What's up everybody, my name is Fab Casso and thanks for joining me for another video. This video is going to be another Dragon Ball Z custom. This time I'm not hydro dipping, so sorry for all the hydro dip fans out there. I'm just going to be using a Dragon Ball Z fabric that I found on eBay and putting it on an Air Max. So let's get into it. Alright, so of course what you're going to need is the sneaker or whatever. I'm pretty sure this works on anything. The sneaker that you want to use it on. Next, tape, scissors, X-Acto knife or some sort of blade, and you're going to need fabric. So, and this is the fabric I got, and I just got this from eBay. I typed in Dragon Ball Z fabric and a bunch of them popped up, but this is the one I went for just because I have a concept in my head that I want. Alright, so as you see where I put the fabric, so I put it on the toe box, right on this little part right here, and on this back piece. And as you see, it's not sewed down or anything yet. But, so what you're going to do is use your X-Acto knife to cut up the stitching of the toe box, the stitching that's holding that piece down, and this back stitching, just undo all that. Alright, so that's what the X-Acto knife is for. The tape is for when you're going to put tape over the places that you want the fabric. So of course it's real simple. Just put the tape over, like say the toe box. Then you're going to use the X-Acto knife again to cut out the shape of the toe box. Then after that, you're going to put the tape onto the fabric wherever you want it to be at. So you're going to use it pretty much as its own little like guideline. Then that's how you're going to get the shape of the fabric to where you want to put it actually on the sneaker. Alright, so as you can see, the stitching is all undone. So now, time to put the fabric in there. Alright, so the sneaker is all done. As you can see, the toe box is stitched down. This is all stitched down right there, so it doesn't have that gap in it anymore. So yeah, just like that, both my sneakers are done and they're now wearable. So the only difference is the toe box pretty much, because the backs are exactly the same and the little Dragon Ball Z logo on there is exactly the same. The difference is the toe box. So this one's Vegeta of course, and Goku of course. Alright, now that both sneakers are done, like which one do y'all like more? This Vegeta one or Goku? And I'm not gonna even front like I did it myself. Like, of course all the cutting and everything was done myself. The only thing I didn't do, because I do not have the, I think it's called a Singer, which stitches the sneaker back to do, and I didn't want to hand stitch it because that would have took forever, is I took it to a cobbler, I guess you can call it, or shoe repair person, and he stitched all that for me. So I ain't gonna front. The stitching wasn't done by me. Alright, but if you don't have like a cobbler or something like a shoe repair in your area, I'm almost positive you could just use like a barge cement glue on it, and it's not gonna move, like, I was about to say move or anything like that. It's gonna be fine. And to show you guys that it's not like I'm just lying about the cement glue, I have another sneaker that I did. I have a Air Jordan 1 that I did a couple years back that I didn't sew. I just used cement glue, and I'm gonna go grab it to show y'all. Alright, so these are the ones that I was talking about. And as you see, I did the brown python toe box and swooshes on both sides of the sneaker. And that's not sewed down or anything. That's just straight cement glue. And I've worn these mad times, like, as you can see, mad times, and I haven't had no problem with it separating or anything like that. So that's why I said I'm almost positive you could just use cement glue. But I can't wait to wear these. Like, these came out crazy. And yeah, that's just about it. Alright, in case you forgot, my name is Fab Casso. You can follow me over on Instagram at Fab Casso. That is all one word, at FABCASSO. And yeah, I had fun getting these done. Can't wait for this next one. Got 2 in the pipeline right now. That's totally different than, not totally different, but totally different is the one that I'm gifting somebody. Then I have something else I'm doing for somebody. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. Was it detailed enough for you guys? Which side do you like better, Goku or Vegeta? And thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a good day. Peace. And before I forget, these are like so much better than my Hydro Dip ones, just for the fact that this sneaker is so much more comfortable than these. I wore these to SneakerCon DC, and the dogs was barking. Like, this sneaker, like, is not a good wear. Like, not a good wear. But yeah, that's just about it.